Hi guys, girls and gamers, it is Maka890 here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to address a question I got asked a lot, which is how do you install mods on Minecraft 1.6.4. I'm going to take things from the beginning and assume that maybe some people haven't got Minecraft so that this will work for everyone and everyone will be able to get their mods installed. If you haven't already, you're going to want to go to www.minecraft.jar and from here you're going to need to get the new Minecraft launcher, which will enable you to run builds past 1.6. So if you click on download it here after you've gone to the minecraft.net page, bear in mind all these links will be in the description after I've finished uploading the video. You'll need to grab this exe file here. Now I've already got the exe file, so I'm not going to download it. Once you have run the game, we can run on to the next step, which some of you may need to take, some of you may not need to take, depending on whether you already have Minecraft installed or not. Go to your %appdata, click your roaming, and like I said before, this will depend on whether or not you have mods installed. I always recommend backing up your Minecraft before you install a mod, just so that if anything messes up you can always restore the previous version and get things back to the way they were and then figure out where you went wrong. If you have mods installed and you have a changed Minecraft, then you are going to want to right click your .minecraft, copy it and copy it to a backups within your desktop. If not, if you just installed a clean installation of Minecraft and everything's literally just brand new, then you are not going to need to do this. Also, you would have backed it up, put it in a folder called backup, and then %appdata%, you would delete your Minecraft. So right click, and if you have mods installed and it's already modded, after you've backed it up, just delete the file and then run the minecraft.exe again. This will run the launcher and it'll download the fresh installation of Minecraft and get everything new and re-put everything back the way that it was before you had mods installed. Installing Minecraft Forge. Bear in mind the links for everything I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial will be in the description. Basically, Forge isn't a modding API. It allows modders to edit Minecraft and mod Minecraft with ease. There are lots of different versions of Minecraft Forge, which a lot of the time means that it is tricky when it comes to installing mods, because certain mods work with certain versions and only certain versions work with certain versions of Minecraft. So always make sure before you install a mod which versions of Forge that the mod is compatible with. A lot of the time mod creators do update their mod quite frequently and keep it compatible with all the versions. Just sometimes it happens that it'll mess up your Minecraft or your mod just outright won't work. So for the sake of this tutorial, obviously I'm going to be using my mod, one because I have all the rights to it, and two, obviously I've tested everything, I know which version it works with, and I know that this tutorial is going to work well for the purposes of the issues I'm trying to highlight even. So once you have gone to minecraftforge.net, like I say, the link will be in the description. You're going to scroll down and look for the version for 1.6.4, and the version, the only number you really need to remember is the N number, which is 916. So we're looking for the version 1.64 and 916, which is just here. And make sure, a lot of the time you'll want the installer, and basically it's just a program that when you click it, it will already install the necessary files into the directory. So once you got the installer for 916 Forge version, you're going to want to download it and drag it and drop it to your desktop. Now I've already got the download and I already have it on my desktop, so I'm going to cancel it. Obviously you will need to run it. So once you've done that and you have the icon on your desktop, you want to double click the Minecraft Forge 916 installer. From here you're going to leave it on install client and then click OK. This will install the Forge API files in the .minecraft folder and basically make Minecraft be able to understand all the mods that we're going to add into the game. So you could also do this for a server. Obviously if you was running a modded server, then you would just change this to server and add the directory of your server, and it would add the same files but to your server, so you was able to use the mods. I can go into that a bit more depth if people wanted tutorials on how to install mods on the server, but for this one we're just going to do it for a client. So click client and click OK, and obviously I'm not going to do it because mine's already installed. I already have the Forge installed, I already have the profile, so I'm not going to do it. But once you have done that, we can move on to the next step. Once we've installed the Forge, the Forge installer files, you're going to go back to your app data percent and go into your roaming, open up Minecraft, and just make sure that it has created a mods folder here. Sometimes it doesn't for some reason. I think that's down to the version, but if it has, then no worries, you're good to go. If it hasn't created a mods folder though, just right click, obviously new folder, create a folder, and then name it mods, exactly the way mine is, and then we're good to go. We can move on to the next part. Next part, we're going to need a mod to install with our modded Minecraft. Like I stated before, I'm going to be using my mod because obviously I own the full rights to it. I can link it, I can do what I want with it, and it's fully tested. I know that it works with this version of Forge, so we'll have no problems getting it working. Again, the link will be in the description for this, and you're going to download the mod, drag and drop it into your desktop. Once you have my mod and you have completed all the previous steps, we can grab the mod that we just downloaded, go into your, again, if you already still got it open, percent appdata percent, and into your roaming, open up the mods folder that is inside your .minecraft and just drag and drop the zip file into the directory, and it's as easy as that. We are done. You can close everything out and you can run the game for your folder. And it's all loaded up correctly. Now, when you first open up the Minecraft launcher, it's not going to say Forge here like mine does, because mine was already set up. It should say your username. What you're going to need to do here is select the profile that we installed with Forge. So you're going to click Forge, edit profile, and make sure that it's on the version that we installed, which is it's 916, this one, and then click save profile. Once you've done all that, you can click play. And there we go, it's loaded up, our mod is working, Forge has registered, and go into the mod selection, we can see that it's registered the mod, and we can load up the game. This will work with the majority of mods as well. The zip file, you can just drag it and drop it into the mods directory and then Forge will recognize it. Just make sure that you check with the mod creator that it doesn't vary with the way I've showed you, but other than that you should be good to go. Okay, catch you guys later.